Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a giveaway and playing in my Tiny Marvels palette. Today though, we are going to have a guest appearance, my daughter, Cadence. Of course, you have to wait until the end to hear all of that information, but I do have 5 palettes to give away for Christmas. All right, let's go ahead and jump straight in. You really do look taller than me. She's not taller than me. How tall are you?
I don't know, maybe 5'4", 5'5".
Fun size, like a snack. Okay, do you already know the look that you're gonna do?
I think so.
I have no idea. I went ahead and did one eye because I have to take her to work, and I assumed that if I was going back and forth, it would probably take a little bit longer. So yeah, I already know my eye. Okay, I am going to go. You don't have to tell them unless you want to. It's completely up to you. Just whatever feels comfortable. I'm going to tell them what brush I'm using. I'm going in with the Zoeva 227 and a walking stick. You have to be that dramatic, just so you know. And I'm going to put this into my crease. You're trying to do it so... I told her she had to be quiet because the mic is right here, and she has her own brushes. She's trying to be quiet. Cadence, I have a question for you.
What?
Why aren't your brushes clean? Have I taught you nothing?
I haven't cleaned my brushes in a while. I haven't done my makeup in a while either.
This is true. My subscribers, my beauties, would like to know if you are into makeup. I get asked that all the time.
Well, not really. I mean, I like it on other people, but I just prefer to not wear makeup.
It's because she's naturally gorgeous. Naturally gorgeous.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. She gets compliments everywhere. I'll go somewhere and they'll ask about her. They like kind of pull me aside. Yeah, I know. She's pretty. I know. Proud mama. You did do that one. Which one's my favorite? You know my favorite.
The one where I did the sun with the storm clouds.
If I remember, I will add it in because I think it's so pretty. I loved it. I put it on my Instagram page. Did you know that?
Yeah. I saw it.
I loved it. It just reminded me of back when I used to do makeup just for fun. I mean, I do this for fun, but I mean just sitting down and literally just playing. I miss doing that. So when I saw her do it, I got really excited about it. I just thought it was so cool. I miss it. I miss it a lot.
I thought it was a more inspirational look, I guess.
It is. It's artsy and inspirational and beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm adding a little bit more of walking stick on this outer corner. So I used the same shade in my crease, but I blended it out a little bit more because I didn't want it to be too dark. And I'm going to have one of those problems where I'm going to try and match the other eye, and I might not. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What's your favorite shade in Tiny Marvels?
I think... I don't know how to pronounce that.
Which one? Scarab.
Scarab.
I feel like that one is so many people's favorites. Alright, I think I've got this where I want it. But the mirror is pretty far away. Just get in here. Just get in here. This is one of the tricks I use to clean things up. So I go on the outside and just drag it to clean it. Alright, I am taking Death Moth on a Refer number 14. I'm going to place this on the outer corner, deepening up the crease, and I'll also bring it on the inner corner. Leave me alone! Oh my goodness. I'm going to put it on silent. Silence! You are now in, what is it called, remote learning?
That's what
she is a junior, right? Still freaks me out. She's a junior, and right now she's remote learning. Do you like that? That was a big sigh. That was a big sigh.
At first, I was really angry about it, but I'm starting to get more comfortable with it.
Oh, that's good.
But I'm excited to
I'm
go
still
back
angry.
to school.
I'm just kidding. No, it's just, it can be difficult.
I'm excited to go back to school, and now my 6th period is going to be musical theater, so it better be in school and not online for musical theater.
What are you going to do about it?
I don't know.
You can't do nothing.
I don't know. You can't really put a production together online, though. That would be pretty hard.
Hey, 2021, we're putting it into the universe. The things are going to get better. And if not, well, then you're here with me doing makeup. I steal you. And no, she technically has school today, but she's already finished her school. We are good. Schoolwork is first, right?
Right.
Mm-hmm. Ew!
I just blew the powder off.
I know! It was aggressive!
There's a lot of powder on it.
Oh my gosh. Anywho, it's catching me off guard. Are you using Scarab today?
No.
That's okay, I am. I can't see. This is so much further away than what I'm used to. Next, I'm going in with the E5 from By Mario and Scarab. I said it real fancy, didn't I?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to play Scarab. I'm going to put it on the inner corner as well as the outer corner. I had another question. I forgot. Oh, yeah. This is my swatch arm. Everybody loves you because you make swatches look way better than if I were to put them on my arm. You wouldn't really be able to see them. So that's another thing I get a lot of comments about is you and how grateful people are that not only do I have you, but they have you. Because it's hard to see good swatches. And she's always here. She is always here. I mean, not like always here at the house, but always here for me.
I'm grateful to be of service to all of you.
I really think a lot of people know you just as Swatch Arm.
Swatch Queen.
Yes.
I've seen that.
Oh my goodness. There are times when she's at work and I have to go shave my leg and try to get the swatch on my leg. It's real cute. It is so cute. And then because, you see, if I shaved my leg beforehand, have you ever shaved your leg and then put on sunscreen or something and then it feels very stingy and you get the little red bumps?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, well, that's what happens whenever I do the swatches on my leg after I have shaved, because I usually have to wipe them off and then my leg gets super irritated. So me and my leg and my audience is really grateful for you. You want to tell them what happened when she just got her first job? Just got it. What did I do?
You started crying.
I did.
She said, I'm so proud of you, but I can't cry. I gotta film.
I forgot about the filming part. I was crying and I was like trying to get the tears to just go from my eyes to the ground so they wouldn't go all down my face, but I was just, it was ridiculous. I am proud of you. I'm extremely proud of you. Now I'm going to go in with BB. As a BB. BB. Who is this for, Kel? I just ruined it. Who is this for, Cadence?
Kelsey?
Yes. You ruined it. The 2 Ks. I thought I was going to trick you with that one, but apparently not.
I think you've told me before, but my memory just said.
Yeah. I feel you on that. You know what this reminds me of? What do you think of whenever you look at this? That color's pretty on your eyes. She's got green eyes. They're more green. They're hazel, but they're more green than hazel.
Yeah, sometimes they're blue.
Yeah, they look kind of grayish. Let me look at you. Right now, they're kind of a mix between the gray and the green. I'm
just sitting there looking at my eyes doing this now.
Let me see. I can't see it.
I love my eyes. I think they're so pretty.
I'm glad you love your eyes. You have gorgeous eyes.
I get them from my grandma.
And your dad.
Oh, my dad.
Mhm.
I always
His
thought
are
Dad had
not-
brown eyes.
Yeah, his are not as intense, but they're definitely hazel. Okay, I'm going to go in with the Bristles Beauty EO2 RL and a little bit of Tree Hopper. And by the way, I took Scarab into the crease. What's up?
I keep turning away.
Oh, I'm lightly blending around the edges of the other shades. What are you? What's wrong?
Look.
Oh, did you get it on your cheek?
No. Look at my eye.
Hold on, what?
I got it really thick under there.
Hey, I like it thick underneath the eyes.
My eye bags are making it hard to get in.
No, eye bags are the perfect place to store your eyeshadow.
Oh my gosh, I did get it all over my cheek. Look.
Yeah, but it's fine. We can get that off.
It's a highlight.
Come here, I'll buff you. Look, it's gone mostly.
Yeah.
I could just put a highlight right on top. Let me see. What am I doing next? Oh, yeah, I still need to...
I'm going to poke myself in the eye.
Please don't. You've got to go to work, not to the hospital.
We were talking about, in third period one day, we were talking about contacts. And my teacher said, it's sort of scary because now I can just stick my finger in my eye and it doesn't bother me. And I said, after I got contacts, that's what I could do too. I told one of my friends, I said, I'm going to be wearing makeup at work today. And they said, oh no. I said, why oh no?
So I was going to film this video, and it was, well, actually, she came to me and she said, if you don't want to film today, I'll film for you.
I
was like, oh,
really? It's okay.
And I said, well, I'm doing a giveaway. I don't know, am I saying that at the beginning? I think I'll say it at the beginning. So I'm doing a giveaway, and then I thought, well, hey, we can both do an eye look, and I will definitely take you up on that. I feel like I did something wrong up here, like I missed a step. Something's wrong.
Look at me compared to you. I'm so pale.
I'm very bronzed. I'm very bronzed.
I'm very, very pale.
That's okay. Pale skin is beautiful skin too. Don't be mad at your skin.
I'm not mad at my skin.
You've got gorgeous skin.
What did you say?
You've got gorgeous skin. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Bristles Beauty PO6 RF and Mantis. Do you remember that praying mantis that was out on front of the garage?
Yeah, I have so many pictures of it on my camera.
I love that little guy. I put him in my last video.
You did?
Well, it was the green eye look, and it's just kind of perfect. Are you done?
Do you think I'm done?
I think you need Web as a brow bone highlight. What? I'm laughing because I'm always putting highlights on my brow bone arch.
Oh yeah, I was thinking about doing that because it looks, it gives a shine. Just put some highlight on your nose.
Yeah, you just put it everywhere.
Put it everywhere.
It makes sense to me.
It's the perfect shiny.
Ooh, and you can use Flutterby as a little bit of blush, and this for the highlight. It's good. You just don't even know. Okay, same brush, Scarab, and I'm going a little closer. And then I'm actually going to have to go, well, no, I need to do one other thing. But then I'm going to have to go off camera and put on my mascara. And try to do it as quickly as possible, because I do have to take her to work.
You're just gonna be editing the video and see me making a bunch of weird faces at the camera.
You know what? This doesn't surprise me. Alright, my last step, I'm taking my Bristles Beauty EO5 PS and a little bit of Spider, and I am going to pop that right up against the outer half of my lashes, and after which I will add a Milk Boss liner on my top inner rim, and then mascara. Do you want mascara?
Yeah, I'll just wear, I'll just go get mine.
What day?
I remember one day in Spanish, I took honor Spanish and honor Spanish too. And we were, he was having us say words, and I did one with an R, and he goes, you wrote your R really good, and he goes, most people can't do it that fast. It takes some people a long time to...
Some people can't even do it in general.
Yeah, he says, it takes people a long time to really get good at that. I was like, Yeah, thank you.
All right, beauties, I am back. Unfortunately, Cadence is not, because she filmed the intro and then she had to go run and get ready for work. She had to eat a little meal, you know, get a little something, something on the tummy and change. So I'm letting her do that while I finish filming. And I gotta tell you, I forgot to do something because I'm just too far away. I'm further away from a mirror than what I am used to being. So I forgot my inner corner highlight. I used my little fire butts. I love that name. Fire butts right here on the inner corner just to brighten things up and again add a little bit more color. I really like the way that this turned out. It kind of reminds me of a globe. I don't know why, but it does. It kind of reminds me of like a world globe. I don't know where I'm getting that from, but that's just what I got. That's what I got. Anywho, let's talk about this palette giveaway. Again, I have 5 to give away. And you guys know, not jumping through hoops here. All I want you to do is comment that you would like to win. I would love for you guys to follow Sydney Grace. It's not a requirement, but something that I would greatly appreciate because this brand is amazing. Their shadows are amazing. Not just my palette, but all of their stuff is just amazing and they deserve so much recognition. I would love if you guys follow them on Instagram. If you're not already, I will link them so that you guys have direct access to that. Anywho, the official rules will be in the description box, but just keep in mind, comment, let me know that you would like to win, follow Sydney Grace if you can, and then give me a way to reach out to you. Instagram or your email works best. You have 24 hours to respond, or I have to pick another winner and I don't like doing that. It is international and all the official rules will be in the description box along with the date, because I'm trying to figure that part out. I don't know if I'm going to do a week like I usually do, just because I want to get these palettes out as quickly as possible. So it might be 3 to 5 days. I haven't fully decided on that. So make sure you are checking the description box so that you know the date. I can tell you though that I will be contacting each winner at 12 o'clock. It might be a little after, like a few minutes, just because I'll have 5 people to reach out to, but make sure you are checking on the date. If I can remember, I will put it in here, the actual date, at 12 p.m. Central to see if you are a winner. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this fun video. I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I love you all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.